AMC down 14.07%, but gradually gaining back some of those gains. The loss was at some point 16%. Now has gained up to 3% now so far. Momentum is increasing and improving. Strength is also improving as well. It has you can see the underlying trend for this momentum for the best part of close to an hour now has been a bullish one. So market participants are watching, they're observing. Presenting the stock has presented a good buying opportunity, a buy the deep opportunity. Look at that, look at this. This is the daily chart. You can see it has fallen below its 200-day moving average. All of them, it has fallen below its moving average. All of its moving averages, including the 200-day moving average. Obviously, this is not okay. Yes, in the last session, I think it's climbed slightly above it, but it has now fallen and getting support from its volume weighted average price right now. So the volume so far is 65.961 million shares. It's one of the most active stocks in this session of the 13th of December 2021. It's gradually improving, trying to get amassing the momentum. The interest is there. The market participants are watching, and the folks at CNBC, they're saying the end of the year selling could be a sign that investors are losing patience. Is that the case? This is as it concerns AMC and GameStop turnaround plans falling short for many. Is that the case? Well, what is certain is that right now market participants are observing, they are watching. We have a price target of 26.11. Is it possible that they can get back to that in this session? At the same time as well, the short interest stands at 16%, but certain market participants don't agree. They think it's more than that. So we are, yes, we are. There's a good chance something dramatic can happen with AMC right now. As I indicated earlier on, our target is 26.11. In this session, will it get there? It's possible. It fell from somewhere around there, so it can always recover that before this session closes. You can always recover that in subsequent sessions. Absolutely, there's every chance it can get to 26 and extend further. So right now, as things stand right now, momentum is holding up, really holding up. That's an indication that something is going on. That's an indication that market participants are really in here. They're not really selling. Let's get it. Even though the down volumes are quite high, are more as things stand right now. Obviously, because some are selling, so the down volume will be quite high. Yes, but the fact that momentum is indicating a bullishness is a sign that market participants are relentlessly holding on. They are not giving up. They are holding up. They are trying to ensure that they make something out of this. They make something out of AMC's 14%, 14.43%. Obviously, as I indicated earlier on, at some point. Earlier on it fell below its moving 200-day moving average, but this is a bigger one, so expect something dramatic to happen. You can see that at some point early this month it fell below its 200-day moving average on this daily chart and spiked up, tried to reverse that, but wasn't enough. But I think in the last few sessions before today's one, it rose above that 200-day moving average. So today it has now fallen dramatically, sufficiently and significantly below that 200-day moving average. There's a good chance something is going to happen. This momentum, even though it's just losing some of those gains, some of that strength it has, but the underlying trend still remains a bullish one. It has been like that for the best part of 15 minutes. So there's a good chance something is going to happen. We have a target of $26.11. Will it get there? That's the question that we've been asking. It's possible. If not in this session, in subsequent ones. But the fact that obviously it is a very popular stock, has fallen below its 200-day moving average, sufficiently cleared away from that to that moving average. It will be deemed as a good buying opportunity, a time to get serious and see whether the short sellers can be flushed out. So AMC now down 14.64%. At some point it was worse than this. We'll continue to update you, and thank you very much for watching this video.